Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are all having an amazing day. Now, if you are returning, welcome. If you are new and you've just clicked, please consider subscribing to the channel, please guys, because we have a lots and lots of fun here. And I like to bring new stuff to my channel. So today I have some Your Sugar Dynamic Cat Magnetic Gel Polishes. Okay, we'll say that again. Your Sugar Dynamic Cat Magnetic Gels. Okay, so I chose 5 colors and I can't wait. I absolutely cannot wait to swatch them. But what I decided to do was to actually make some press-ons. Let's just put that in for another 30 seconds. I'm going to make some press-ons, so I'm not going to waste a swatch. We're just going to get into it. So while that is just curing in the lamp, I have measured some tips that my nail sister Priya had sent to me. I think they call pipe nails. So I've never used, well, pipe or long oval. I've just never used tips like that. They're not generally the ones I will gravitate to. I have tried smaller ones, but they do look nice. So, you know, I'd like to try it. Now, I know I have seen this brand on Amazon and they have their own like website. They are on Facebook as well, so you know, I will leave all the links to their socials so you can check them out. Now, I was also sent a magnet. I always request a magnet because I don't know from who or where I heard this, but obviously not all magnets are the same strength and not all cat eye magnetic gels are made the same. So depending on what the particles are that I put in there is going to determine the kind of magnet or the strength that you're going to need. So for this purpose, I'll be using the Your Sugar magnet that came with the gels. Like, it's just, oh, it's beautiful. Now there are definitely green and gold and blue, but let's not go into all of that. Let's just swatch this and, you know, get to use it at the same time. I'm going to put the nail down and we're going to go in with the magnet, and I'm just going to move it all around. So already you can see how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. Okay, so let's get serious, right? Let's try this side, and it works wonderfully. Really responsive to, oh, I love that. The pointer finger, we're going to use URW09. It's definitely very jelly-like. Okay, so I felt like I had to do 2 coats of the second one. Look at the color of this. So beautiful. And that tells me that it's probably just going to shift for the cat eye gods. Just get that around everywhere. So we're just going to pop that nail there and get into the 4th one, URW08. I do love that. I like that. All right, 30 seconds. Now this URW10 is a stunning blue. So we're going to get that on the nail. It's almost like a tealy, turquoisey blue. Okay. Again, the blue. That really stark. You saw it just disappear like magic. And I think sometimes what can be the most annoying is when, you know, you had your shift and it's, you know, you feel like it's gone and you like literally completely back with a magnet, back and forth, and it's like, where did the particles go? I really hope you can see all this magic. So it's my first time trying this brand, and these dynamic cat eye gels are gorgeous. And you know what? The reflectiveness or the, like, you, anyway, when that flash, when we put the nails on and you see in the flash, okay, I'm gonna cure. Now I don't know if you can see this. I'm just gonna turn the phone's flash off and you can really see the colors. The thumb has to be my favorite. Literally. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're gonna get some top coat on these nails, and I was thinking of doing some of those ghosties all over. But then I thought it's gonna cover up too much of my beautiful cat eye, right? So I thought instead I could do starbursts and ghosts. Definitely very beginner friendly, and I said we've still got a few days of Halloween left. Well, not Halloween, but you know what I mean, spooky season. Tomorrow is actually Halloween, so yeah, I thought that would be cool. So just doing some ghosties. Do this last one and then we'll do the eyes. I don't want my ghosts to look super scary, right? I do want them to look different. Now, do they have mouths? The ghosts? They do, right? Who am I without any bling? Are you telling me I've messed up this bottle and I can't open it? Okay, so yeah, we got that ish open. There we are. Oops. Okay, that's drying now. You know, just like when you put too much glue, it takes forever. So only need a little blob. I think I'll just put that little blob. that's that. This is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Starbursts and ghosts with some bling. I do like these tips. And the Your Sugar cat eye. Oh wow. So let's just, you can see the colors there, right? So beautiful. This dynamic magnetic gels, absolutely gorgeous. Even the ghosts are in awe. I'm gonna stop. All right, Mama Does Nails, I love you all. I'm gonna literally do another shot for you, show you how gorgeous this the cat eyes really look. And I've got a little daylight outside, so maybe I might go outside and have a little look.